This is, in a way, the Supreme Court, while not getting into the issue of Jammu and Kashmir, as well as the question of the issue of the statehood, making it clear that elections must be held as soon as possible in the state and by the 30th of September. So that's a direction to the Election Commission. As we are well aware, the Election Commission was to conduct the elections. They had been revising the electoral rolls and it was expected that elections will be held in the state in the run-up along with the Lok Sabha polls. So now that stage is set, but it's remained silent on the question of statehood. It has not given a timeline, but has said that it should be done as soon as possible. Whereas in the state of Ladakh made it clear that for Ladakh, the Union Territory status has been upheld. There are other issues that have been gone into in the entire judgment, which is a final letter or the final word from the Supreme Court, and that's the last arbiter in terms of justice. After Parliament had passed it in 2019, it is now clear that the Supreme Court has upheld most of the decisions that have been taken. The President has power, that the sovereignty is paramount, that the Constituent Assembly it was temporary but could not adjudicate on this matter. This is a presidential power, saying that 356, even though it hasn't been challenged, they have held concurrently. There is a small technical know-how about how they've gone about that entire process, but by and large, the Government of India and the Ministry of Home Affairs, which had brought about this proclamation, and the J&K Reorganization Act has been upheld by the Supreme Court. And as you rightly pointed out, elections will have to be held sooner rather than later, by the 30th of September, and Jammu and Kashmir as a separate state must be constituted at the earliest.